You're watching Project 380 and this is Back to Basics. In this video we're going to be removing the bonnet or the hood from this Mark 2.5. This is exactly the same for the Mark II, and all you're going to need is a 14mm spanner. We're going to come over to the driver's side and pop the bonnet. Reach underneath the centre here for the bonnet latch. Lift the bonnet up, grab the bonnet stay and put the stay in the hole in the bonnet. You know you got the right hole because it says rod. We now want to disconnect our washer jets. We've got the main fluid line coming up from the scuttle panel here and joining right there. Now this joiner is old, so be careful. Grab the pipe and give it a little twist backwards and forwards. That should free off, and while pulling give it another twist. And just tuck this safely down in the scuttle. Holding the bonnet to the car is just 4 nuts. 2 on this side and 2 on this side. Using your 14mm spanner, you can loosen them off. Get them to where you can remove them with your fingers. Now the bonnet is almost ready to come off. Now ideally you would want 2 people to do this next bit, but I'm going to show you how I do it by myself. With 2 people you greatly reduce the risk of damage and it's a bit easier, but most of the time I'm by myself. With 2 people, one person could be holding the bonnet and the other person removing the nuts, and then you could both carefully lift it away from the car. But since I'm by myself, I will first completely remove the top nuts. Make sure the bonnet is still secure, and then carefully remove both lower nuts. Let go carefully, make sure the bonnet doesn't go anywhere. And then grab the top of the bonnet, carefully remove the bonnet stay. Then we can lower the bonnet down, very carefully. Grab at both sides and lift up very carefully. Now storing these bonnets is a bit difficult. You don't really want them stood up like this, as you could damage the paint. You don't want them stood up on the other end, because these points here really like to bend. As the bonnet is aluminium, ideally you want to lay this flat on the floor. So that is how to remove a bonnet or a hood from an MX5, and all by yourself. If this video helped you, pop it down in the comments down below, and as per usual, like, comment, share and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.